Ravi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can check that Homebrew is installed on your MacBook system or not. So let's start the video, and first you have to open this terminal on your system, and here you have to run the command brew. And because the Homebrew is not installed on my system, that's why it is giving me error that brew command not found. To install the brew on our system, you have to open this website brew.sh, and you have to copy this command, and now you have to paste it here and run this command. It will ask for your system password, so you have to enter it. After that, it will install the Homebrew. It will take some time. So using the Homebrew you can install Node.js on your system, and other modules also you can install on your system using the Homebrew. So like run this command in your terminal to add the Homebrew to your path. So we will copy this command and run it, and now we can check whether the brew is installed on my system or not. So let's run the brew command here, and now you can see that brew is installed. Now let's check whether the Node.js is already installed on my system or not. So no, so Node.js is not installed on my system. So first let install the node. So for installing the Node.js, you have to run this command brew install and node. Now it will install the Node.js in your system. You can install the specific version of the Node.js also using the brew command, or you can install the latest one, that is a latest stable version of the Node.js. It will be installed on your system. Now we can check whether the Node.js is installed on my system or not. So yeah, it is installed, and most of the developer want to know how to uninstall the Homebrew. And if they want to uninstall the Homebrew, then you have to run this command. I will paste this command in description. You can copy this one, and now you have to run this command, and it is asking to delete this file, so we are going to delete it. Might be some of the files will not be deleted, so we will try to delete it manually. Yes sir. So as you can see, the possible Homebrew files were not deleted. So what you have to do, you have to follow these commands. You have to run these commands to delete these files manually. For some of the files it will throw the error like the operation not permitted, so you can skip those files. So we have deleted most of the files, and now again we can check whether the brew is installed on your system or not. So you can see that no such file or directory is installed. So by this way you can install and uninstall the brew, and you can follow these steps. I will paste this command in description to install and uninstall the Homebrew. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel to complete 1000 subscribers early as possible. Thank you.